this one. Some jerk chicken neck. This was one of my childhood favorite growing up in Jamaica. Listen, on Friday we'll walk up to up the road, go to the jerk man, and back then it was $5 for one, and you will get how much you want, and maybe two slices of Adwa bread. Listen, so here, because I'm using an indoor grill, I boiled the chicken neck first with a lot of spice and definitely some powder and wet jerk seasoning. I boiled it for about 30 to 45 minutes. You see all of that flavor that went in, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, all of that. After I boiled it, I then added to my indoor grill so it could get that char and add more jerk seasoning flavor on it while it grill on the grill. So we have jerk on the inside and jerk definitely on the outside. So while it's grilling in, I'm basting it with the sauce I've made with wet jerk, powder jerk, honey, sugar, all of that. So let's get into this. Look at these. They're getting on their way. So I'm just flipping them over. We're getting a nice char on them. Listen, but if you're using an outdoor grill, you don't need to boil them first. But because I did went ahead and boil them because it's an indoor grill. But look at what we have here. Some flavorful jerk chicken neck. Listen, man, these were so good and delicious. And you can see that crystallization of the sugar. It's not air, it's the sugar. But look at this. They were so flavorful and delicious and definitely brought back memories of when I lived in Jamaica. I definitely probably make them again with a different twist. But we serve them up with some sweet chili dipping sauce, and I think I cooked rice that day, but I also went ahead and did some fried green plantain. Definitely put in the link in this video to how I make my fried green plantain. But this is how you get it in Jamaica, with in the file paper and probably with your bread and whatever you have and your sauce drizzle on it. Listen, so many memory brought back. Definitely give this recipe a try if you're a fan of chicken neck, okay? Definitely flavorful. Thank you guys for always watching with me. Like this video. Bye. See you on the next one.